Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have our Mazda 3 here, and we're on the process of putting the bumper back on. To remove the bumper, it's a process of a bunch of push pins, a few screws, and that's basically it. There's 3 push pins that are in the fender well there. There's some screws that go right here. There's a screw and the push pin together in this bottom variance there. And the same thing on this side, 3 push pins over there. There's electrical connectors for your fog light and blinker light on the bottom that you would want to hook up before you put it completely back on. And up here there's 2 bolts that go through and a couple push pins, and then you also have to put it under the air. So this is easy as picking up the bumper, slipping it over that bottom variance piece, and then you got to make sure this, which is the tab to open the hood latch, you go up and over that, then push it so that it goes under the air intake. Set it up into place right there. And we've got our bolts that we can tighten up here on the top. There are these 2 bolts that go in through the air cleaner. We'll tighten those up. And then there's these, one here and one here. And then, so there was 2 here, there's 2 on the other side. There's a push pin that would go here, another one exactly on the same on the other side. And there's one more push pin right here. Before I get too carried away, I gotta hook the electrics up in the bottom there and put up the side of the bumper there. Since we still have access, you can reach in through here and hook your electric back up. That's for the light. And then this car is not actually equipped with the fog lights themselves, but they do have the fog light clip there. So that's all clipped up there. Then we just get this back in under there. And then this side as well as the other side, once you've hooked that all up, you've got just this crease here. You just take it, press the bumper in, and it'll snap into place, and then the rest of it holds in with your push pins here. Okay, we'll go to the other side, do the same. We hook our electric back up here. Same thing on this side. I want to kind of make sure we're under the light a little bit, and then push it in to lock it in. Push these push pins in on this side. That's all of that. And get to those push pins there. They should be on a photo, but there's these big long guide tabs. They should be into place. Everything else lined up. So now that's how you put your bumper back on. It's just a matter of a handful of push pins and screws to be tightened up, and everything will be buttoned down, and your bumper will look good. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.